Alright, I thought it'd be nice to do another video of my Kirby Classic 3 with this angle, with it all restored. But I also wanted to mention something. I have this old Kirby Heritage shampooer system that came with this buffer brush roll that I couldn't use because I only had G-Series Kirby's. But now that I have this, I can use this. So, let's go ahead and give you a running of the vacuum. And next video I'll go over the Heritage shampoo system, so here we go. Switch up the angles, and this is definitely a quieter Kirby than the others are. Let's do one of this angle. So now let's do one of here. Next area. Yeah, with those new bearings, the Kirby sounds way better than it did before. Which I like that. The Kirby needs to sound better. You remember this little part? This little part, my double sanitary could wipe out in just 2 passes. Which is crazy. Of course, this Kirby won't, but just something crazy. The wind down is way better too. It doesn't have that little bearing wind down screaming sound. So next video, let's try out this carpet. Well, actually, maybe we can try it this video. So let me get another belt. This one has those. This one must have the older style Kirby belts, which, if you want to know what those look like, they look like this, which I just don't trust these belts, you know. I like the belts where it has those little edges in them, you know. I think the newer Kirby belts are more worth using than the older ones. I mean, I didn't throw out any of the older ones yet, but, you know, they don't seem like I want to use them. So let's see if this carpet fluffer works. Because I want to give it a try if it does. Belt stretched out. Let's go ahead and slap her in this unit. Yep. I couldn't use this on any of my older G-Series Kirbys, but I can use it on this. Haha. So, let's see how she sounds. Sounds decent. It's definitely usable. Let's try her out on this part first. See how she works. Well, it seems to work. So that's some nice part. Let's see how well it works on this part. Let's see where. So yeah, this video is mainly for people who enjoy seeing older Kirbys. In this case, my Kirby Classic 3 is an older Kirby. So let's go again. So there you go. There's a fun vacuuming and a demo of the Kirby Classic 3's carpet fluffer. Definitely seems to work great. So I know it's not matching because of the Kirby Heritages, but the important part is that it works on my Kirby Classic 3. Because I have the rest of the shampooer system too for this, so I can shampoo with this if I want to do. I'm not sure if I will ever do a demo of a shampooer system anytime soon, but because I don't shampoo down here very often. I do need to shampoo soon though, because some cat vomiting and that stuff's happened. It's probably time to shampoo soon here, so that's something I'll have to consider doing sometime. So anyways, thanks for watching.